Hey y'all! So in this video, I'm going to show y'all how to make this very easy, fun, festive, ugly Christmas face mask. It's a little spin on the traditional ugly Christmas sweater, which I love. It was super fun to make. So let's get into the video. What you'll need. Everything I used in this video was available at my local Dollar Tree except for the face mask, which is available on Amazon. Let's get started. First, take your Santa headband and take off one of his heads. Then get these glitter stickers and you're gonna place 3 snowflakes on each side and then a Christmas tree on one side and a little reindeer on the other. Glue everything down except for Mr. Santa. Before you glue him down, just take off these little hot glue wubbies you might have and then glue him down. Now, take your fun light up Santa hat and cut out the lights. But be careful or else you'll end up doing what I did, which is cutting the wires. Good thing I bought 2. Now, the second time around that I did this, I actually felt for the wire this time and I decided to cut from the top part versus the bottom. Success! After you take out the actual lights, you're going to also use the Christmas lights that were on the hat. Since I didn't have a pom-pom ball, I'm just cutting off a little portion of the one on the hat to use for Santa's hat. Now it's time to glue the lights down. Be careful because I did burn my fingers a lot during this video. After you glue your lights down, make sure it works. Then proceed with gluing the wires down. After you glue the wires down, you're going to take your fun garland and glue them over the wires to conceal them. Before I glue the garland over the button, I'm taking some felt because the button part was a little bit sharp. The corners of it was a little bit sharp, so that's what I'm doing. Then after I glue the garland down once on the ear loop, I'm going to take it again and wrap it all around the ear loop. This way, the wiring part is totally covered, and even though it might not be the prettiest looking thing, remember, it is an ugly Christmas face mask. Now repeat this step on the other side, but continue along the jawline. Now for the last part, I'm just taking these Christmas lights that we put aside and gluing them to where the lights are. And voila! You have your very own ugly Christmas face mask. I can't wait to wear this on Christmas, y'all. I'm wishing you and your loved ones a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye!